What's up, everybody? Welcome to Colorful Analysis channel. I'm super excited you are here. I would like to share with you one of my problem that I found a solution. Maybe it's your problem. I have a list of a product and I would like to see that each product, how many ingredients they have. And also, I would like to see that each ingredients how look like is it in the column, is it in the rows? So for the more analysis I need that each ingredient should be in the separate row. Let's look at it on Power Query. The Power Query in ingredients column, you may see that we have bunch of ingredients for each product. I need to understand how many ingredients are existed in each product. The one way is in a Power Query to count the R comma. So I add a custom column, and in this case we need that text split, and then add that specific column, and then we should add separator. For me is comma, numbers of ingredients. It's return a list. That list it doesn't help because it's actually mm, the again you can see the name of the ingredients. We need the number. I should add count. So I add the list. It's better that to open the parentheses before you add the one phrases, and then I should close. So I have the list of the ingredients. That is the one. I look at this one because sometimes maybe we have one extra. So because of that, just I should remove the one minus one. So far so good. We have the number of ingredients. Now I need that each ingredient is separate row. Why? Because for example, I would like to understand that the how many products they have glycerin, whatever, whatever ingredients. In this case, I need each of the ingredients stay on a rows instead of the column. So I should select the column split by delimiter, and then I can add a comma here. Here is important. We should split into rows, not the column, because in this case of the column is not useful for me. So I will come back and select by rows. Now I have by rows, so I can easily understand that all the product contain glycerin. Yeah, that is for today. Hope it would be help for you in the case of you have more or less same problem. Thanks for watching this video. Please grab your painter's brush, hit subscribe to be part of our creative canvas, and splash a like. As always, we dive into different subject of the Power BI.